Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to complete tasks on Moonberg Airdrop and get more coin. So let's get started. So I'm going to go to my Telegram. Now this is it. So you go to your Telegram, I've taught you how to do this. So what you need to do is click on open. Once you click on open, the next thing you need to do is okay, and you see tax here. Okay, you can see, just click on tax. I'm going to say it again. Sorry for that. Click on tax. Once you click on tax, the first task we're going to do is join TJ channel, and we're going to earn 1000 points. I'm going to click that. You can see I'm going to click on join, and that is it. You can see I've joined it. I'm just going to go back. Sorry. And then okay, I can say I've do the text. You can see you can follow them on Twitter. To earn more tax, you can just click on follow. So click on follow. We're gonna go back now. You see that we've do the tax. You can see, so the next task is you can do invite 3 friends. You can fight 5 friends to get 1000 points, and you follow them on LinkedIn, like, retweet and comment. You can see all this, so you can do all these tasks, then you're gonna get all the points. Very simple. Okay, so guys, for this video, push the like button, drop a comment or subscribe.